Welcome to Srimaths. Today we are going to study a trigonometric problem. Prove that problem in 10th standard CBSE. And prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Then in this problem we find the values of LHS equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. We find the values of LHS and RHS separately. That is equal to cosec A is the opposite of sin A. Cosec and sin are opposite, sec and cos are opposite. Instead of cosec A, we write 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A. Instead of sec A, cos and sec are opposite. That is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Instead of sec A, we write 1 by cos A, and instead of cosec A, we write 1 by sin A. Sin and cosec are opposite. They are opposite ratios. Therefore, cosec A is 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 by cos A minus cos A. That is equal to, then cross multiply. 1 minus sin A into sin A by sin A into 1 minus, here also cross multiply, 1 minus cos A into cos A by cos A. That is sin A into sin A is 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos A into cos A, 1 minus cos square A by cos A. We have an identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. From that, 1 minus sin square A is cos square A and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. From that identity, we write 1 minus sin square A is cos square A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by sin A cos A. We cut cos square A by cos A, that is cos A. That is sin square A cos square A, that is cos A sin A the whole square by sin A cos A. Then we cut 1 sin A cos A the whole square and by sin A cos A. We get sin A cos A. We get the value of LHS as sin A cos A. Cosec and sin are opposite ratios. Cosec A minus sin A, that is 1 by sin A. Instead of cosec A, we write 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A 1 by cos. Cos and sec are opposite. Minus cos A, that is equal to, then cross multiply like this. 1 minus sin A into sin A by sin A into 1 minus cos A into cos A by sin A. Then 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A. 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. 1 minus sin square A, we have a trigonometric identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Then 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. That is cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. From the identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A. Cos square A means cos A into cos A. Sin square A means sin A into sin A, the whole by sin A into cos A. Then we cut cos A, cos A, sin A, sin A. And here is cos A, sin A. Doing the LHS, we get cos A, sin A, cos A, sin A. We find the value of LHS are sin A, cos A. We find the value of RHS. RHS equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. We know that tan A is sin A by cos A. That is 1 by sin A by cos A plus cot A. Cot A is cos A by sin A. Then we simplify this denominator equal to 1 by cross multiplying sin A into sin A plus this cross cos A into cos A the whole by cos A sin A equal to 1 by sin A into sin A sin square A plus cos A into cos A cos square A by cos A sin A. This. Then 1 by, we have a sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 by cos A sin A. This together. Then in the denominator there is fraction. Then 1 into, reverse this, cos A sin A by 1. That is equal to cos A sin A. In the RHS also we get cos A sin A. Hence we proved LHS equal to RHS. In this case we take LHS, we do LHS and RHS separately. 1 by tan A plus cot A equal to tan is sin by cos. Sin A by 1 by sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. Then 1 by, then n A cross multiply. Sin A into sin A plus cos A into cos A by cos A sin A equal to 1 divided by sin A into sin A means sin square A plus cos A into cos A means cos square A by cos A sin A equal to 1 by, we know the value of sin square A plus cos square A, trigonometric identity 1. 1 divided by cos A sin A. And the denominator is a fraction, then we write 1 into, reverse that, cos A sin A by 1. By 1. That is we get cos A sin A. Hence we proved this question. From the LHS we get cos A sin A. From the RHS also we get cos A sin A. Hence we proved. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.